Alright, so you saw me do the eyes. Now you're gonna watch me do the lips and the eyebrows. Stay tuned. Before we get started, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. Okay, these are the supplies that you're gonna need. A pair of scissors, a pair of pliers, a needle, and 2 different color threads, red for the lips and brown for the eyebrows. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. And like I taught in the other video, we always push the needle through from the back of the head so that all our knots will be in the back of the head, which will be covered with hair later on. Now just pull that all the way through. And like we did before, we're gonna knot at the back of the head there. Now I want this eyebrow to be as simple as possible. So I'm just gonna do like little slash eyebrows. It'll make her look like she has a surprised expression all the time. Now push that needle through to the other side to get started on the other eyebrow. Now you got 1 eyebrow down and 1 more to go. I think it looks good. So now we're going to tie our knots. Now grabbing some red thread, we're going to start on the mouth. First we're going to do the outside of the mouth. So I'm going to do a line on the top and then a line on the bottom. As you can see, these 2 lines are not even. We want the top line to be longer than the bottom line, much like how a human mouth would look. Now we're going to repeat those lines again. Now we're going to start on the sides of the mouth. And we're going to repeat those lines again. You can stop at this point if you'd like, but I decided I wanted to plump her lips up a little bit more, so I'm going to whip stitch around the stitches that I just made. Looks good. Now we're gonna knot that off. Again, you're more than welcome to stop here, but I decided to put teeth in her mouth. So I grabbed my white thread and I'm ready to go. Now, being as that I've never done this before, I kind of guessed my way through this, but just using the same concept, I just started stitching with the white. And I didn't like it, but I'm not going to comment on what I thought she looked like. So I just started stitching a little bit more. And I like this a little bit better. So I'm gonna knot my knots. Now that you watched me make her face, stay tuned to my Instagram to find out who she turned out to be. And there's a hint in the description box below. She's not perfect, but I like her. But I do want to fix her nose. Boom. I hope this video was helpful to you. Hope you'll be able to use some of these skills, quote unquote, that I showed you here to make your own dolls. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next video.